Hello, dear friends. My name is Yuri, and today we will speak about gold, where it's the best to open entry with low risk and great potential reward. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on TradingView, follow us in Telegram because there we post our free ideas, some free articles, lessons. Believe me, if you will be with us, you will become better. First, about gold and what we should do the next. Friends, don't forget that trend on gold still bullish. As you see, price made fake breakout of this trend line. It could be a good buy signal. It looks like gold can continue uprise. Also, take a look on lower time frame what we could do here. As you see, yesterday price made re-high of previous high, and fake breakout. After that, price dropped down dramatically. And now what we can see, as you see here, nearly this sell zone, price created this downtrend line, and gold broke it up. It's really a good signal that price can continue uprise. That's why if 1 hour candle close above this tail, for us it is buy signal on pullback. What you can do, you can set buy limit here with low risk nearly 40 pips and potential reward before this sell area. And as you see, your potential profit could be in so many times bigger because we have long-term uptrend and we have short-term signal picture. That's why, friends, it will be best opportunity for us to make safe entry. And also we can calculate what will be potential risk reward if we open entry in proper place. For example, 40 pips, and potential reward could be as you see, if you open entry in proper place, your potential reward in 4 times bigger than risk. That's why this entry worth it. Friends, don't forget to follow us, to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and share this video with your friend if you think it's really useful for you. That's why. Have a great trading. Bye.